The chickens are taking their bath, which I have no idea how often they do this, but a lot of them needed their bath. And that white chicken has all that stuff going all through her feathers. You would think that makes all of their dirtiness, all of the dirt on them even worse. But when they get up and shake, they just shake and explode. Basically, they poof out all the feathers and makes them look like 2 times their size. They shake all that stuff off and it just makes them clean. I don't even know how. Yeah, but that's all of their favorite sawdust. They always go right in there and just get all of it through their feathers. So that's their bath area. The one's falling asleep. The one right there, its eye is closed. I think it fell asleep. And that one is trying to clean her. And basically they don't even do anything except for kick all of that sawdust up on each other. Then they get up and shake. So last time we only did a really quick review, but in case you didn't see our last video, which is coming out right before this, I don't know how to. You'll be seeing the video that we made before this. Before this video. So that is their big long stretch of stuff. I'm gonna run to the end of it. So it goes way down here. And all the way back. So it used to stop right here and then take a turn. Actually, it stopped right here and then took a turn. And then around over here. And then it back here. But we changed it so that they have more stuff to eat. We got it all the way out here. That's their little house area. So I'm gonna come back around. And as you can see, they're laying right on top of each other. Come over here. She is squished. So I'm gonna go in and see what happens. Did I interrupt your bath? They didn't even all run, which is surprising. And in the videos, guys, look how deep this hole is. They dug it really deep. And they just keep digging it deeper and deeper and deeper. So we didn't do this. That's how deep the chickens dug. So they did this by themselves. We didn't help at all. Except I removed a rock for them because they couldn't dig any deeper. But that is that's their little area where they just sometimes lay in and do that. So look, this one is in mid-bath. Oh look, she might do it. Come on, clean. There's a whole bunch of sawdust under your feathers. You have to shake. You don't want to shake? As you can see, they want to go out. Guys, look, your door is open. They can go out if they want to. This one really doesn't care that I'm here. But that is basically their bath. And I just wanted to show you because I think it's really funny. And then also there's another thing out back there where we just showed you. There's a little water puddle and they would drink out of it. This chicken still has a whole bunch of sawdust underneath of her feathers, which I want to see her shake. Because I would think it would be uncomfortable to have all of that sawdust right there. So, I'll go get some to go outside. And go outside. This is like the biggest and strongest chicken. That's like the leader of the pack right here. And she hates being picked up. So stay out. Sometimes they're really hard to catch. They're just gonna keep coming back in.